Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the York dark chocolate covered peppermint patties. This particular bag is 11-ounce size. You can get bags just about every size that you'd want on Amazon. This is their Christmas bag. You see it's got some Christmas images on there. Now these are delicious. Anybody that's had a York candy knows how delicious they are. The dark chocolate is compensated by the inside, the sweetness. And if you look at the ingredients of this product, let me just read this. Sugar, corn syrup, chocolate, cocoa, invert sugar, milk fat, egg whites, lecithin, cocoa butter, oil of peppermint, and natural flavors, and milk. It's all natural. There's nothing bad in those ingredients. About 100 calories for 2 of these. And the bag is open because me and my son have been eating these. They're very addictive, very delicious. And I'm going to show you a close-up of what they look like in case you haven't seen them before. So here's a close-up of it. You can see how delicious it is. You can see the dark chocolate all the way around it. And if you open this up, got the delicious mint cream inside. I'm going to be showing a recipe how to use these to make a delicious brownie recipe. So we're going to be showing this recipe here that we're using the York Peppermint Patties. This is fudge brownies, and you can see that they're pressed inside the batter. I'll have the recipe in the information section of this review. So here it is baking, and you bake it 350 degrees for about 18-20 minutes. So here it came out of the oven, and you can see the peppermint patties right in there, and there's a little decoration that we had on top. Doesn't look the best, but we're going to see how it tastes. So here it is on a plate, and we're going to see what it tastes like. So how's it taste?
That's a 5. That's a solid 5 out of 5.
So what's my overall opinion about the York dark chocolate covered peppermint patties? I love these. My son loves these also. They're just delicious. They're a traditional product you have around Christmas time. But I'm going to, as I demonstrated the recipe for making those delicious brownies with this product that were really good. I mean, you could use this year-round. But I really love this product. I'm going to give it a 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.